This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Irene Witt. This lovely 4-bedroom/3.5 bath cabin is perched on a ridge to enjoy cool mountain breezes and year-round grand views. As you enter, you're greeted with an open floor plan that has a lodge-like feel west/a beautiful kitchen west/ample storage and welcoming living room west/a stacked stone gas frplcs. You are beckoned to sit and relax in the sunroom that offers peaceful mountain views to enjoy coffee or cocktails. The primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom are located on the main level. The loft has a pool table and you have 2 more bdrms, full bath and sitting area. The terrace-level bedroom has an ensuite bathroom and private screened porch west/a bubbly hot tub. A second private screened porch offers a nice place to gather/unwind. Enjoy the soothing waterfall from the front porch. Well-built home west/2-car garage, whole house generator, 2 gas frplcs and plenty of parking for all. Close to shopping, winery.